Hi, my name is Hugo, and I'll be your host for Introduction to Python for Data Science. I'm a data scientist, an educator at DataCamp, and host of the DataFrame podcast, which you must check out. In this course, you will learn Python for data science through video lessons, like this one, and interactive exercises. You get your own Python session, where you can experiment and try to come up with the correct code to solve the instructions. You're learning by doing, while receiving customized and instant feedback on your work. Python was conceived by Guido van Rossum. Here you can see a photo of me with Guido. What started as a hobby project soon became a general purpose programming language. Nowadays, you can use Python to build practically any piece of software. But how did this happen? Well, first of all, Python is open source. It's free to use. Second, it's very easy to build packages in Python, which is code that you can share with other people to solve specific problems. Throughout time, more and more of these packages specifically built for data science have been developed. Suppose you want to make some fancy visualizations of your company's sales. There's a package for that. Or what about connecting to a database to analyze sensor measurements? There's also a package for that. People often refer to Python as the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, as you can do almost anything with it. In this course, we'll start to build up your data science coding skills bit by bit, so make sure to stick around to see how powerful the language can be. Our courses focus on Python 3. To install Python 3 on your own system, follow the steps at this URL. Now that you're all eyes and ears for Python, let's start experimenting. I'll start with the Python shell, a place where you can type Python code and immediately see the results. In DataCamp's exercise interface, this shell is embedded here. Let's start off simple and use Python as a calculator. Let me type 4 plus 5 and hit enter. Python interprets what you typed